Toto. I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Well, we're looking into the sun, and it's like 7:30 in the morning here, and Bridal Falls is out there somewhere. I can't see it in the camera. You may not be able to see it. I'm trying to shade the camera with my hand here so you don't get the sun coming in it, but it's going to happen anyhow here with my hand. So we're a little rest stop. This is a tunnel view here. I'll take a picture so I can get the GPS on it, but it's very early in the morning, so get you know, the haze and everything in here. So we're actually in a parking lot here, but we got our vans over there. Not too many people here in the parking lot. There's a tunnel where we just came through. And it's a little chilly here, but not too bad. Now we're in the sun. It's going to warm up nice. We're going to have some coffee and some snacks here. And we got this here. Alright, here's a good thing. It says that there's El Capitan there and Half Dome. And if we look up, here we're looking into the sun again. El Capitan should be right about over there, I believe, but hard to see with the sun in our eyes here. But that's what we're looking at right down there. You can stop the vid if you want to read all the information here. And the Bridal Falls is right over there, and it's over here on the side here. All right. Well, here's a depiction of our route that we're going to take. We're going to come down in here, and somewhere down here, probably in this parking lot here, we're going to go up this trail up here to see the waterfalls. That's the hard hike. We might take that one with the zigzags, I don't know. And the other group's going to take this easy one up here. And I don't know if you can see it, because it's in the shade there, but it's coming up in here or something. So anyhow, and I don't know where we are here now here. Where we're at, I don't know. I'm trying to look for the tunnel, but we're probably right here, maybe. Yeah, that's probably the tunnel that we just went through. We're right here, so we still have to drive all the way down here yet and get up to here, and we're going to have a little walk yet to a meadow, maybe some bathroom breaks, but it's in the shade there, so that's where we're going to go. Okay, there you go. And down here, so right here is where we're at. And this is, I believe, El Capitan right here. I'm pretty sure. And it's pretty smooth because about 1 million people have put their fingers on it and touched it. So it's really smooth up there. And as we look up here, it is right over there, I think. Right there is this right here. So there we are. Okay. Got my coffee cup over there too. All right. Oh, this is El Capitan, known as the Dawn Wall, and there are two climbers right about down in there somewhere. Be hard to see, but they're right about in there. And if you zoomed in here,
it looks like they just woke up or something.
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
You can see. I can't zoom in there, but it's El Capitan, and we're right here by the Merced River. Yeah. But they got a long way to go, those people down at the bottom down there. So right in there. This is it. We're in California here.
See any climbers?
Yeah.
There's a couple on the wall. They're in the gap here. Want to get a scope out? Yeah, I could. I mean, we could do it.
We already did the wave.
There's the Merced River right here. Nice clear water down here. Now, right up there is Yosemite Falls. There it is. Right there. Yosemite Falls. It's in the shade a little bit, so it might be a little hard to see. But it's in there pretty good. I still don't know how to use the zoom on here. There used to be a thing on the right to zoom in, but I don't see it there. It was there one day and then it's gone. So sorry about that. Alright, Yosemite Falls. May 16th, 2022. And here we go. Alright. And there's a chapel right behind us here. Right up here. And there's a chapel right here.
You could actually do the physics of the potential energy is turned into.
Like I said, back over here.
And you could do the calculation.
Right by the highway, there's our vans right over there.
Yeah, it's a tenth of a degree.
And Yosemite Falls. And we got a bridge coming up here over the river. And lots of steps here going up. Yeah. This big wooden bridge over the river. I presume this is still the Merced River, I would think here. And there we go. Fast moving river. It's moving real fast. The water looks pretty clear. You can see right down into it there. Yeah, look at that. I want to get out in the sun here where it's a little bit warmer. Still a little chilly here. But, yeah. Yeah, it's moving pretty quick. Moving pretty quick down there. Something down there that's caught in there, like a tent or something that's blue and yellow. If you can see it down in there. It's caught in the trees. There it is, the upper
Is this a bird tour?
and the lower falls here, the lower one and the upper one.
Yeah, oh, that's awesome.
From the meadow down here.
Is it through Yosemite?
So,
Cool, sweet.
yeah.